Hello, and welcome to English with Daniel and Emma. Are you just starting to learn English? Do you want to know how to say your name in English with confidence? You are in the right place.
You will learn how to ask, "What is your name?" and how to answer, "My name is," in clear and easy English. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us. Let's start learning English together.
Hello. Good morning. My name is Emma. What is your name?
Hello. Good morning, Emma. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Thank you. I am happy to meet you.
I am happy to meet you too. This is my first time here.
Oh, really? This is my first time too. It is nice to meet new people.
Yes, it is very nice. Thank you for talking to me.
You are welcome. It is nice to talk with you. Daniel, may I ask you a question?
Yes, Emma, you can ask me.
What is your name again?
My name is Daniel. Daniel. Daniel.
Thank you, Daniel. That is a nice name.
Thank you, Emma. Your name is Emma, right?
Yes, my name is Emma. E-M-M-A. Emma.
That is a very nice name.
Thank you. People call me Emma.
People call me Daniel, too. I like my name.
I like my name too. It is easy to say.
Yes, it is easy. Emma and Daniel.
Yes, our names are easy. Daniel, let us practice our names.
Okay, Emma, that is a good idea.
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. I say your name like this. Daniel.
Yes, that is correct. I say your name like this. Emma.
Very good. Thank you.
You are welcome. I like saying your name, Emma.
I like saying your name too, Daniel.
Emma, we are learning English. Yes, we are learning English together.
Learning names is important.
Yes, names are very important.
Names are very important. When we meet new people, we say our names first. This helps us know each other.
Yes, Emma, I agree with you. When I meet someone, I say my name. I say, "Hello, my name is Daniel."
That is very good. I say, "Hello, my name is Emma." It is simple and easy.
Yes, it is easy. We can also ask, "What is your name?"
Yes. What is your name? That is a good English question.
When someone asks me, "What is your name?" I answer, "My name is Daniel."
That is correct. I answer, "My name is Emma."
We can say our names slowly. This helps people understand us.
Yes, I can say, "My name is E-M-M-A."
I can say, "My name is Daniel."
Very good, Daniel. That helps English learners.
Yes, this is good practice for beginners.
I feel happy when I learn new English words.
Me too. Learning English is fun.
Yes, it is fun, and learning names is the first step.
I like learning with you, Emma.
I like learning with you too, Daniel. Daniel, let us talk again using our names. This will help us remember.
Okay, Emma, I am ready.
Hello, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hello, Emma. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. I am happy to meet you today.
I am happy too. When people know my name, I feel good.
Yes, when someone says my name, I feel happy.
Names help us talk to people.
Yes, names help us make friends.
Emma, your name is easy to say.
Thank you, Daniel. Your name is easy too.
Thank you. I can remember your name, Emma.
I can remember your name too. We are practicing English, Daniel.
Yes, we are practicing English names.
This is good for A1 learners.
Yes, it is simple and clear.
I feel more confident now.
Me too. I feel more confident.
Learning English step by step is good.
Yes, step by step is very good.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations. Your support really helps us.
Comments for you. What is your name? Write your name in the comments and say, "My name is..." We are happy to learn English with you. Please come back tomorrow to learn with us, because tomorrow's video will be great. You won't miss it. We will be glad if we see you in the next video tomorrow.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.